Hi friends, hi children, very good afternoon children. Yesterday's lesson, are you all everyone you copied? Very good. Okay, shall I ask you the questions yesterday's? Okay. So what is the first match the following? What happened on Sunday? What happened? Alan's parent got yes, raincoat to Nalan. Okay. And what about that sky on Saturday? Is it rain or not? Yes, on the day the rain came and Nalan enjoyed very lot. He ran out to the rain. Okay. Okay, so you all thoroughly that lesson. Now we see a winter morning. That winter season. In winter season, what is that climate? Yes, the snow fall little and a very little cold outside. Is it? The climate is that. Okay. Now see that two children, that two girls conversing with one another. What they conversing with them? The sun rises, the birds sing, the girls are ready to play. So in the morning, the sun rises. After that, what they heard? The birds sing. The girls are get ready to play. Enjoy that morning. So what is that first girl telling? Well, it is cold. So what is the another girl telling? Yes, so cold. So what is the season on time? It is a winter season. Okay. So that girl, what she asking? Let me wear my warm hat as it is cold. So what she wants to do? She wants to wear her warm hat. So she is searching. What she is searching? The hat is not on the table. Where she kept that hat? She kept that hat on table. But that hat is not on the table. Where did the hat go? It was here. Where has it gone now? She is thinking, I kept it on the table only. Then now where it is gone? She is searching that one. I can't find my warm socks. Where are my warm socks? Another girl is searching for her socks. Both they are searching hat and socks. My feet are numb with the cold. What is numb? That the floor is very cold. So they can't able to keep that feet in that floor. So mine too. That girl is telling mine too. Her feet also not numb. Then what happened? The girls shivered due to the cold. They started feel that shivering. They feel shivering because of that season. So what is the season? Winter season. So the girls both are shivering due to cold. I can't find my hat and you can't find your socks. So then, where they are searching, they saw Banu find a small hole in the wall. Who find that small hole? Banu find a small hole in the wall. Janu, she calling her friend. Who? Janu, look here. Look into the hole. Our hat and socks are here. Where they find that hat and socks? They find the hat and socks on that hole. Who took that one? Banu and Janu take their hat and socks. Now they are ready to play. They got that socks and their hat and they ready to play. They leave to play. Then two rats come out and take their warm coat into the hole. So who took that hat and socks? Two rats. They took the hat and socks to their house. And now they both girls are went to play. No, leave that place and they went to play. So that time what happened? That two rats came out from the hole and they take the warm coat into the hole. So you understood this supplementary? Okay, very good. Now see that match the following. They given the picture and match it with the picture. What is the socks? Where that picture? Yes, very good. Hat, connected. Hat, very good. Where is sweater? Very good. Next one what? Blanket. Very good. Everyone, you connect that, match it with the picture. Okay. See that next one. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. To complete the sentence. See the first statement. What else? The girls shivered to that. What is the answer for that? Hot or cold? Why they are shivering? The climate is cold. So what do you want to write there? Cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. Very good. Next one. They found their socks and hat in the which place they could take it from hole or from that cupboard? Hole. Yes. Spell it H-O-L-E. Hole. Very good. See the next one. They felt numb in their where? Teeth or feet? They felt numb. Yes. Feet. So what do you want to write? Feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. Understood this lesson? Okay. Bye, students. You read it well and see you next class. Thank you, children.